Hey guys, it's Bianca and I'm here to share my new Sutra beauty collection with you guys, and this right here is my Magno Flat Iron. So I chose a flat iron because I feel like it is basically a staple for everyone's collection. The color is just beautiful and you guys are gonna love it, I know it. So this is what she looks like right here. It goes up to 450 degrees. It is this really pretty pink color and I love how the plates also match the flat iron. Has my signature inside of it, and here is where you turn it off and on. Hold down the button and it turns it off or on, and then you can put your heat settings up right here with the plus, or turn it down with the negative button. Some special things about my straightener here is not only that it's like soft touch, I really love that about it, but it also has these cool tip edges. So when you're straightening your hair or curling it and you're like grabbing the tips, because I think everybody does, like grab right here and you will not get burned because it has these little edges right here that you can hold on to. It makes your hair super sleek, shiny, and it doesn't like tug. You guys know what I'm talking about. There's those straighteners where you're like going through and it feels like it's like almost yanking the hair. This goes down like super smooth. I just wanted to share a few tips with you guys about how I curl my hair. I already did most of it, but I'm gonna show you guys right here. I like to do some curls going out and then some curls going towards the face, just so that there's like, you know, it gives volume and just helps it look like messy. I like my curls to look messy. Also, another thing that I do personally is I straighten the ends of my hair. I like the curl look up here, but like at the ends I like to straighten it. Grab this piece and I just take my flat iron, I put the hair in and I'm gonna twist away from the face, let the hair go behind it, and then kind of twirl it in and just pull down. Do not press too hard on the clamps, you don't need to, and then you get this. And my ends are already pretty straight because my hair is obviously straight already, but whenever I come straight out of the shower I do straighten my ends of my hair. Then I'm gonna do this one this way, so just same thing, but you're going under, hold down, and then so I'm just going to take it, clamp down, throw it behind, twist it a little bit, and then just pull down like so. And then I like to put just like some dry shampoo or like, you know, whatever is your favorite product, and I'll like mess it up, and then you have your little curly look. And I always get questions about how I curl my hair whenever I do my hair like this, and I'm like, it's coming, I promise. And then also another tip is if you want more of like a tighter, more tight curl, you wanna just twist down slowly, and even like maybe like twist it around a little bit more. I only go like the half turn, but if you go down quicker and more like how I'm doing, you just get a looser curl like so. You're just like gonna pull down and you get this like little cute loose curl, pull them apart. But the slower you go down, the tighter your curl is going to be. And then just like play around with it. And like I said, if you guys want it like a messy look, just put some dry shampoo in it and just like play around with it, maybe tease it. But this is normally the look that I go for. So I feel like everybody knows how picky I am with my straighteners. So this right here, it took a long time for me to finally approve it. So it's gonna be the best. So I can't wait for you guys to use it. My pre-sale is now available, so you guys should go shop right now before they sell out. Make sure that you guys tag Sutra Beauty and myself so that we can see all your looks that you create with my new tools.